Okay, so in this video we're going to learn how to convert kilometers per hour to meters per second. So one of the things you need to convert kilometers per hour to meter per second is a constant conversion factor. Now to get our constant conversion factor here, I would say km per hour to meter per second. Okay, so we are going to be looking exclusively at the units if we want to get our constant conversion factor. Okay, so we know that for every kilometers, okay, you need to divide meters by 1000. Okay, and we know that for every hours, okay, you need to divide seconds by 3600. Okay, so what we're going to be doing is that we're going to be replacing the values of km and hour in this first part. Okay, so if I substitute this into these values into this fraction here, I'll get m divided by 1000 divided by s over 3600. Okay, so that m divided by 1000 can be rewritten as divided by s over 3600. Okay, so if you switch the numerator and denominator of this, you should have equal to m over s times 3600 over 1000. Okay, so we are going to be using this value to replace this value in order to convert it to meters per second. Let me clean this out. So in this case, we now have 20 times meter per second. Okay, so we now have times 3600 divided by 1000. Okay, so this will cancel out this. Okay, so we should have 20 times 3.6 meters per second here. Okay, so this is equal to 20 times 3.6 is equal to 72 meters per second. Okay, so this simply means that for any time that you want to convert from kilometers per hour to meter per second, you multiply by 3.6. Okay, so for another example, say we have to convert 10 kilometers per hour to meter per second. So you can pause the video and try to solve this one out yourself. Okay, so like we did before, but in this case, since we've already gotten the constant conversion term, which is 3.6, so we are going to just say 10 kilometers per hour times 3.6. okay, so 10 times 3.6 is equal to 36 meters per second. Okay, so let's take another example. So say for our third example, you're asked to convert 36 km per hour to meter per second. Okay, so to convert this, we are simply still just going to multiply 36 by the constant conversion term. So this is 36 times 3.6. okay, so this is equal to 129.6 meters per second. Okay, so for another example, say we have something of this nature. We have 50 meters per second to km per hour. Okay, so to convert 50 meters per second to km per hour, for this km per hour to meter per second, our constant conversion term was times 3.6, but in this case it will be reversed. Okay, so the constant conversion term here will be 50 times 1 over 3.6. okay, So 50 times 1 is 50 divided by 3.6. Okay, so is equal to 50 divided by 3.6, 13.89, approximately 13.89 kilometers per hour. Okay, so for the fifth example, let's say you are given a value of 36 meters per second and asked to convert to km per hour. You may want to pause the video and try this one out yourself. So okay, like we did before, we're just simply going to say 36 times 1 over 3.6. okay, so this should be equal to 36 divided by 3.6. 36 divided by 3.6 is equal to 10 km per hour. Okay, so that's how to convert meters per second to kilometer per hour, and how to convert kilometer per hour to meter per second. So if you like the video, leave a thumbs up, share with your friends, and subscribe to the channel. It helps. Thanks for watching.